I don't know if you guys heard this, but Tom Izzo, Michigan State coach, he was just talking. Juwan Howard from Wisconsin, from Michigan, was facing off against Wisconsin. He punched one of the assistant coaches. This is a head coach punching an assistant coach. That I do not agree with at all. But what Tom Izzo said, because NCAA and them were thinking about getting rid of the handshake after the game, Tom Izzo said, yeah, right? Hear this real quick. This is how much softer society has gotten over the years. Beforehand, if you got your ass kicked, you had to be man enough to go down there and shake that man's hand and acknowledge that they kicked your ass. Because guess what? When you lose, when you lose, you eventually develop the aspects, if you have the right coach, to teach you how to win, because you got to experience a loss to have that drive to want to win. But then they're trying to get rid of that handshake. But what Tom Izzo said is, look, man, we're already, if kids are not having a bad day, they get to go home. I mean, we're already making society softer for kids. Now you don't want a kid to go out and shake someone's hand after they get their headbutt or their butt kicked. What is happening with society? He's all, that's not going to happen here. We will continue to do the handshake, because you got to give respect to the people who whooped your butt. Because not only that, it's just sportsmanship.